SCEF and Ami Santha, and we're here. Clare Woods Nature Preserve. Last time we were here, episode 13, we got lost. Yeah. This time we're going right here, and this time I will take a picture of the map. Yeah.
Cintaku, cintaku.
And we're back again, SCEF and Ami Santha. And what episode is this?
17.
Episode 17.
Yeah.
And we got Ami Santha. How you feeling, Ami Santha?
Good.
A little tired?
Just a little bit cold this morning, yeah? What do you think?
The weather is fine for me.
Uh-huh.
Just right for me. Not too hot, not
Okay.
too cold. Look at the blue sky.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's do it. The birds are talking this morning. The trees, look at the limbs. They talking as well. We got the bench right there where you can
Like,
get you a cool view of everything. How do you want to leave your mark on the world? Okay. There you go.
Cintaku. How do you want to what?
How do you want to leave your mark on the world?
How
do you want to leave this world?
How do you want?
I want to leave a positive influence. Right here, we got the loblolly pine. And this sign right here, that's a woodpecker. Is that a woodpecker or a road runner? Looks like a road runner. Road runner crossing. That's what that means.
What is this? Is it light? Oh.
I guess that's like at nighttime if you want to come through. Well, I don't know what time they close. But look at that tree. Man, that's nice, huh? That's like a picture. You just take a picture right here.
But it will be like so scary, Sanku, at night. Wow, that's house, Sanku. That's like haunted house.
You don't believe in ghosts, do you?
I believe there is another spirit. Sanku, you want to go to restroom?
I'm fine. Before I left, I used the potty.
Oh yeah? Oh, okay.
They got a welcome to the nature center right here.
What is that, Sanku? King Rich Wood Nature.
Clare Woods. Probably named after somebody.
What is
There's the trails.
Sanku, what is that? Is that the... That's so funny, yeah? So you have to put something and then like scale. This is like scale, Sanku. Right? This is like scale.
I don't know, maybe it's to feed the birds or something.
Oh, I thought scale.
These are just houses over here.
Wow, I don't know. We will see. We will see houses here, Sanku.
The Clare house. And you got the blacksmith. Maybe this was like something back in the day, you know?
Oh, yeah.
We just got a loop right here so we can check out the houses, the Clare house, and the blacksmith.
This is like long time ago, yeah, Sanku. Yeah, look at that, Sanku. That's like museum. Do you want to see? Is it allowed?
I'll just look at it from a distance. How about that? got a garden over here. Your favorite, Ami Santha, garden.
Yeah, I want to make my soil like this, Sanku.
Nothing to it but to do it.
Can we do like that, Sanku?
Ami, you can do anything you put your mind to. It's all about patience. Patience is the key. They got the birdhouse up there for the birds.
Oh, yeah.
They living good up there.
Yeah, like a castle, yeah?
Yeah.
But small. Look at the window. So small. Oh, Sanku, that's like fireworks. Look at that wood. This is like fire. Bonfire, Sanku.
Bonfire.
Yeah, bonfire. Ooh, Sanku, squirrel. On top of your head. See?
And this is the way to the trails.
Oh, Sanku, look at that water. Oh, birds. The trail.
To the trails. I'll let you go first, Ami Santha.
Oh, nice garden out here.
Farm trail. 0.3 miles.
This time I don't want to lose. I don't want to go inside too. Sanku, there was a grape. There is a grape over there. Sanku, so scary. Over there. There's a grape, Sanku. Sanku, that's so scary. Let's go back. Hey, Sanku, that's so scary, Sanku. I don't want. Sanku, Sanku, let's go back. I'm scared, Sanku. Let's go back, Sanku. Sanku. Sanku, let's go back. Come on. Seriously, I feel.
Ami Santha said, let's go back. Ami Santha said, oh no. Oh no, we not getting lost like last time.
Sanku.
Ami Santha said, oh no, we got to go back.
You know, I so grateful. Sanku, in this kind of Sanku, in this kind of place we cannot laughing so loud, you know. That's impolite. Seriously.
We the only ones out here, Sanku.
Sanku, every place they have the owner, you know.
But we the only ones out here.
Yeah, but this place it has owners, Sanku. We have to respect them.
Yeah, Sanku, but nobody's out here though. But
Yeah,
us.
you know they have owners.
Like if we scream, can't nobody hear us.
Yeah, but they have owners. they have owners, Sanku. You know, every place they have like someone who own the place. You know.
Ami Santha said, let's turn back. That's not no grave, Ami Santha. What are you talking about? That's not a grave.
That's grave, Sanku.
No, that's no grave.
Okay, let's go back. Seriously,
Ami
Sanku.
Santha said, let's turn around.
Just trust me,
Man,
Sanku.
Ami Santha said, let's turn around.
Sanku, just trust my heart. Come on, come on.
Which way, Ami Santha?
Oh, come on, Sanku.
That way or that way?
Sanku, come on. Just.
They got the skeeters out here too.
Yeah.
Mosquitoes. Here in Texas, we got what's called skeeters. 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 They're bigger than mosquitoes.
It's like the king of mosquitoes.
Yeah. Oh well. Deja vu. That was what, episode 13? So y'all go back and check out episode 13. And
Yeah.
y'all see where we were, lost out here.
Yeah.
And it just kind of reminded Ami Santha of where we were last time. So I say left or right. And Ami Santha said, no, let's just go back. Okay, oh well. SCEF and Ami
Santha.
Ooh, SCEF and
Why is
Ami
actually the trees like so
Santha.
Oh, like 4 meters, 5 meters.
SCEF and Ami Santha. SCEF and Ami Santha. I got my Rundong shirt on. Satay. Ooh, yeah.
What you remember
I
about
went online
Sangko?
and I got this shirt. And it's got Indonesian food on it.
So,
And y'all know I love food. But if y'all don't know, I love food,
Sangko,
especially Indonesian food.
what do you remember about rendang? Can you tell us?
Beef and real good. That's all I know.
Not spicy?
It's like almost like what we call a pot roast here in the United States.
How about satay? Satay.
Satay. It's like skewers.
Mm-hmm.
Chicken on a stick
Hmm.
with peanut sauce. And I'm not too fond of the peanut sauce.
Well, actually, we can replace the peanut sauce with the sweet soy sauce, soybean.
Okay. Well, this is SCEF and Ami Santha, and we're not getting lost today. Oh no.
Jeez, Sangko, so scary.
Yeah.
So scary.
So that concludes this episode. What is this? Episode what?
17.
Episode 17, SCEF and Ami Santha. We refuse to get lost on this episode.
Yeah.
And as always, thank y'all for supporting.
Look at that tree, Sangko, over there, right? That's so big, right? Yeah, right? The trees, like giant trees. Like giant trees. And where's your rendang shirt, Sangko? Can I see your rendang shirt? Oh, where's your hat? Your rendang, gado-gado, nasi goreng soto, rawon, opor ayam, nasi padang, gudeg, pecel lele, pempek, siomay, bakso, ketoprak. From all of this food, you only know rendang and satay, right? You don't know ketoprak, Sangko.